Level 1. The first win. You are 19 years old. It starts with a single bet. Nothing serious, nothing dangerous, just a little money, just for fun. Your friends are laughing. Someone opens a betting app. Someone else claims they have insider knowledge. You decide to try it. The game starts. Your heart begins pounding. The score changes. Seconds feel like hours. Then suddenly, you win. The notification appears. Money enters your account instantly, effortlessly. No hard work, no waiting, no boss, no school, no struggle. Just one decision and profit. Your brain immediately records the moment, not the money, the feeling, the rush, the possibility, the dangerous idea that maybe making money can actually be easy. You spend the rest of the night imagining bigger bets, bigger wins, a bigger future. You don't realize it yet, but the system has already opened its first door. Level 2. The chase. Weeks pass. Gambling becomes routine. Every morning starts with checking odds. Every night ends with checking results. You begin studying statistics, players, teams, markets. You tell yourself you're not gambling, you're investing, researching, calculating, learning. Then one day, you lose. Not a little, a lot. The money disappears in seconds, your stomach drops, panic arrives, but instead of stopping, you place another bet. Because recovering the loss feels easier than accepting it. The next bet loses too, and another, and another. Now, gambling isn't about winning. It's about getting back what was yours. Every loss creates another reason to continue. Every mistake demands another chance. You are no longer playing the game. The game is playing you, and every spin pulls you deeper. Level 3. The double life months later. Nobody knows the truth. Your family thinks everything is normal. Your friends think you're doing fine. Social media shows smiles, confidence, success. But behind the screen, your life is becoming a secret. You hide transactions, delete messages, clear browser history, lie about where your money went. You tell people you're saving, working, investing, but the truth is darker. Every spare rupee, every extra dollar, every opportunity flows into gambling. The worst part isn't losing money, it's losing honesty. You start living two separate lives, one life everyone sees, and one life controlled entirely by addiction. The secret grows heavier every day, yet somehow you keep betting. Because now quitting means facing reality, and reality has become terrifying. Level 4. The collapse. The collapse doesn't happen all at once. It happens slowly. Quietly, one crack at a time. Savings disappear, bills pile up, relationships become strained, sleep becomes impossible. You wake up thinking about losses. You fall asleep thinking about recovery. Every conversation feels distant. Every achievement feels meaningless because your entire world has been reduced to one question. Can I win it back? Then comes the biggest loss, the one that changes everything. Months of money gone, seconds gone, dreams gone. You stare at the screen, motionless, silent. The room feels empty. For the first time, you stop calculating, you stop planning, you stop chasing, because deep down, you finally understand something. The system was never designed for you to win. It was designed to keep you playing, and now the cost has become impossible to ignore. Level 5. The final decision. The next morning feels different. No notifications, no bets, no odds, just silence. For the first time in years, you are alone with your thoughts, and they hurt. You think about the money, the opportunities, the relationships, the time, all gone. You can't recover the years. You can't undo the damage, but you can choose what happens next. The addiction whispers. One more bet, one more chance, one more comeback, one more miracle. The voice sounds familiar, comforting, dangerous. You know exactly where it leads. You have walked that road before, and at the end of that road, there is nothing. So instead, you close the app, you delete the account, you walk away, not because it's easy, because it's necessary. The rush disappears, the excitement fades, the fantasy dies, but something else returns. Freedom, slowly, painfully, one day at a time. And as you step away from the screen, you realize the greatest gamble was never the money. It was your life. And for the first time in years, you're finally taking it back. You finally got the lesson and never turn back to this gambling addiction.